Hello there, guys. Mel here, back in with another new video. And what I can remember, a long, long ago, maybe in my first videos, first sort of videos, I have already shared a platform like this before. Uh, and this is basically a platform where you can paste your code and generate great looking previews out of it. Okay, now in today's platform there are some dissimilarities, some similarities, and lots of customization. So let's have a look at it. And obviously you have, if you haven't seen that code preview or kind of thing previously, let's see it. Both of them are almost same because it serves the same purpose, but there's a lot of difference between both of them. Okay, so let's just have it today. So we have our today's platform, that is code.so, and it is obviously more easier to remember. And we have our previous platform, that is Carbon. So as you can see in Carbon, we have the same theme settings. Here we have the theme settings. Here we have auto language detection, but here we don't have it, I think. Yeah, you have to select your language. Then we have the option for transparent background. You can upload your own image, or you can choose an image. All it's up to you, and you can choose from color palette as well. But here you have certain kind of images from which you can choose from only, and a transparent background if you want to add some image later. Okay, so that is the thing over here. And rather than that, in Carbon we had this specific thing, that is you can select a line and make it bold, italic, or underlined. But here we don't have it because specifically we are pasting the code over here, and this is basically an image that is generated from that code. Okay, so that is a major difference of those two platforms. And here also, like if you click on copy to clipboard, it will give you the option to copy it as image, copy it for medium, as iframe, or as just plain url, which you can later on paste on your Figma or anywhere else to show it. And it will be a copyable code, like you can interact with the code. Okay, and you can tweet it right away from here. And obviously basically can export it as png as well as svg. But what we have here, like we will go to this section later, but let's discover all of the other sections of here. Like in config we have these window settings to select multiple windows. And in window we have this like options to select what type of uh, that you what buttons that are called. Wait, let me see. Menu color button that we want. We can adjust the padding, width, and all sort of things. In editor we can adjust the size. Okay, and select the font as well. We have quite a bit of font over here, but I will just stick to it. And we can like select line numbers if we want to add it, or we can. And it is for starting with one, same thing that we have here, starting with one, show line height, font size. We have all those editing things. Hide characters, I think we don't have hide characters over here, but yeah, padding, radius, opacity, shadow, all of the things are over here. Okay, the same kind of thing. Something is obviously extra. The risk shadow is, I think, extra over here. And like show menu buttons. But why, what I really liked about this is some of the special features of it. First of all, you can give your file a name, like this thing. I have given it a name of Minges, and it is appearing over here. And you can add your own watermark. Like if you want to establish this code as your own, you can add your own watermark. But right now I wanna just delete it, and then we'll save it. And you just have to click anywhere else to just save it. Okay, so yeah, it's now reloaded. And another thing that I really loved, it have blurred lines. So what we can do with blurred lines, suppose I am blurring out 1 to 3 and 5 to 6. Okay, so only the fourth line will be visible. Yeah, you can see only the fourth line is visible, or the other lines are blurred out over here. So that is a great thing that I have found out over here. So yeah, I love it. And here in similar case, you can copy the image, download it, and copy the URL as well and share it. So let's see. Yeah, it is just an image. Okay, as you can see it over here. So this is like in the exporting section, this is a kind of drawback for it, because it's giving you too many exporting options. In Carbon you are getting, but here you are not getting that much. But what I would say, if your only purpose is to export it as a PNG image or as transparent image, and later on you will be editing it anyways, you can use it, because it's more simpler, I think. Because every settings is in front of you. Extremely sorry. Not like it's not having a lot of customization, it's having it, but still it looks great. And obviously fonts also, let's match up the font. Okay, so yeah, that's basically about this site. Actually, use whatever you love and let me know which one you have been using, and would you like to use it more, or whatever your preference is. Please let me know about all of them. Like, give me the feedbacks of those sites that you are using right now. And that's it for this video. If you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel. And if you know about some other great tools like this, please let me know about all of them as well, so I can feature them in my future videos and learn from it. Okay, so bye.